Hi there, tech enthusiast, and welcome back to Super Simple Tech. Today we're going to explore the Windows command prompt and its powerful capabilities. The command prompt is your gateway to the operating system through a command line interface, often referred to as the CLI. It's like a window that allows you to communicate with the operating system using text commands. Most of the commands we'll cover in this video can be executed by any user with standard privileges, the kind that a regular network user would have. However, if you require elevated rights and permissions, you'll need to use an administrative prompt, which means you should be part of the administrative groups. To start a command prompt as an administrator, you can right-click and choose Run as Administrator, or simply type CMD and press Ctrl-Shift and Enter together at once. This process is the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this case, we'll be demonstrating on a Windows 11 system. To open the command prompt, you can click the magnifying glass, search for CMD, and click Open. When you've used the command prompt before, you can find it in the search results. Alternatively, you can type CMD in the search bar and it will show you options like Run as an Administrator, Open File Location, Pin to Start, and Pin to Taskbar. In this instance, we'll choose Open, which will launch the command prompt and give you access to the operating system. One thing to note is that the command prompt doesn't provide a lot of information once it's open. You get a prompt and it's up to you to input your commands if you've known them before. However, you can use the help command for assistance for someone who doesn't have any idea or hasn't used it before. The help command can provide more details about the commands you might use at the command prompt, such as dir, chk, dsk, check desk, copy, copy, and so many other commands. You can also use the command / question mark to achieve the same result. For example, maybe you type dir / question mark to get help concerning the directory. And this would give you the same result as help. To close the command prompt, when you're done, simply type exit and the window will be closed, returning you to the prompt. Now let's use the help command for the copy command, which will give us information on how to use it more effectively. The copy command offers many options for copying files and directories within Windows. You can explore all the available options using the help command. If we clear the screen with CLS and you use the copy command with / question mark at the end, we get the same information about the copy command. You can use either help or copy / question marks to gain more information on how to use the copy command. In Windows, you can manage files and directories from the command line, just as you would using Windows Explorer. To list all the files and directories in your current folder, use the dir command. You can navigate to different directories using the cd or chdir command. Use a / to separate folder names in the hierarchy on your drive. To move up one level in the directory structure, you can use 2 dots, so that's ... or you can create or remove folders using mkdir, meaning make directory, or rmdir, meaning remove directory commands. These can be abbreviated as MD or RD. That's make directory or remove directory. Managing the file system from the command line is especially useful for troubleshooting when a graphical interface is unavailable. When working with Windows, you often encounter the need to access different drives, which are assigned drive letters like C drive, like C:.. These letters are associated with different partitions or network shares. The disk path command is used to create partitions in Windows. Be cautious when working with disk paths and formats, as they can remove data. The format command is used to create a file system on a partition, erasing any existing data. Ensure you specify the correct drive when using formats to avoid data loss. To copy files in Windows, you can use the copy command. The basic syntax is copy source destination. You can add flags like /v to verify the copied file's integrity and /y to suppress confirmation prompts. To copy multiple files located in different folders, you can use xcopy with /s to include subdirectories. Another powerful command is robocopy, which stands for robust copy. It offers more features than xcopy and copy, including precise control over copy operations and bandwidth usage. If you need to determine your computer's name in Windows, use the hostname command. It displays your computer's name at the command prompt, helping you confirm you're working on the correct system. When you need to create a partition or format a drive, you can use diskpart. Be cautious, as these commands can lead to data loss if not used carefully. To restart your system from the command line, use the shutdown command. Specify /s for a shutdown, /r for a restart, or /t to set a time delay. For keeping track of your Windows version, use the winver command. It provides detailed information about your system's version, build, and more. In an Active Directory environment, GP updates is a useful command to force an update of group policy without logging out and back in. You can also check the current group policy settings with GP results. This allows you to view which group policies are applied and confirm any changes made by administrators. These are just a few essential commands for managing Windows through the command line. You can explore many more and explore these ones on your own. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials on my Super Simple Tech channel. So until next time, stay techy, stay savvy, and keep being curious.